Now, the reason I'm making this video is because a lot of my friends ask me the same question over and over again. How do you get waterfall dust? Well, the main concept is pretty simple, but it takes a while, let me tell you. First of all, if you're new to the game, there's a few things you need to know. The first thing is that you need one each of these three items: the toy knife, the papyrus scarf, and the undying spear. To get these items, you need to beat the Dust Sands boss fights. These boss fights are activated only when you switch the mode from normal to Geno. You can only switch the mode to Geno when the amount of fun is less than 19. The first step of getting waterfall dust is to evolve Undertale sands into Ruins Dust Sands. You need 7.5k corrupted data and the toy knife. In order to get the toy knife, you have to beat the Ruins Dust Sands boss fight. And just like that, we got the toy knife. Now the next step of getting waterfall is to evolve Ruins Dust into Snowden Dust. You will need 17.5k corrupted data and the papyrus scarf, which you can get by doing the Snowden Geno waves and boss fight. Now the thing that makes Snowden Geno different is that you still have to do the Snowden waves, so I'll just fast forward. And now we have the papyrus scarf. Now the last step you need to do for waterfall is to evolve snowed-in dust into waterfall dust himself. You need 22.5K corrupted data and the undying spear. The spear is one of the 3 items you can get from Waterfall Genome. Just pretend it says Undying Spear. And just like that, you can now evolve into waterfall dust. Trust me, this tower is really worth the grind. Now remember that if you're low on corrupt data, the best way to grind for it is to keep on doing waterfall dust. I hope this tutorial helped. Stay old.